The Supreme Court will hear arguments on May 15 regarding President Donald Trump's controversial push to restrict birthright citizenship. The case marks the first time the justices are publicly weighing in on a Trump-era immigration directive, which lower courts have repeatedly blocked as blatantly unconstitutional. Trump aims to halt automatic citizenship for children born in the US to undocumented immigrants, claiming the 14th Amendment was never intended for such cases. He argues it was created solely to protect formerly enslaved people. Federal judges in 3 states, Washington, Maryland, and Massachusetts, issued nationwide injunctions. The Department of Justice now wants those injunctions narrowed, arguing one judge shouldn't have power over the entire country. Critics say a patchwork enforcement would be a legal and humanitarian nightmare, leaving infants in limbo. This case has been so misunderstood, Trump said this Thursday. Immigrants' rights groups argue the 14th Amendment's meaning is crystal clear and unchanged for 125 years.